guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Oblong Polka Dots and my name is Kerr, and on this channel we talk about makeup, skincare, and beauty. So, if that's something you're into, you've come to the right place. Hola a todos y bienvenidos a mi canal, Oblong Polka Dots. Me llamo Kerr y en este canal hablamos de maquillaje, cuidado de piel y belleza. Entonces, si eso es algo que te gusta, has venido al lugar correcto. Ok, hoy tengo la paleta de Fantasy Cosmetica, and it is called Warlock. So I picked this up during Halloween. Compré eso durante Halloween más o menos. And this is what the palette looks like. La paleta tiene un espejo. It does have a mirror. And these are the colors. Look at this one right here. Mira. Wow. I cannot wait to use this palette. No me recuerda porque compré, pero creo que sí es de una YouTuber, posiblemente Beauty in the Frizz. I think I bought this because I saw her use it, and I was like, wow, I have to have that palette. If I can find the video, I will link it in the box. Si puedo, wait, how do I say that? Okay, so si puedo que encontrar el video, I will put it in the box. Okay, let's begin. We're going to start off with the primer. I'm not familiar with this formula, so we're going to start off with the primer. Essence Prime Like a Boss Eyeshadow Base. Es mi favorito y compré eso en Ulta. And it's really cheap. Es muy barato. Ah, she remembered. Eso es muy barato, pero it's extraordinary. It's so good. This keeps your shadow from moving around and creasing, and just, you need this. Lo necesitas. You do. It's amazing. Okay, so I think we're gonna kind of keep it a little bit, let's keep it a little bit simple today. We're gonna start off with this flat brush right here, and we're just gonna stick with colors that I think we know. So how about we use, I did a pink look yesterday with purple, so I kind of want to do green. So let's try this one right here, because you know that green is my favorite color. Verde es mi color favorito. All right, guys, here we go. Oh my gosh. Yes, there's a little bit of fallout, but I guess that can be expected with a matte, right? Especially a matte green. Wow. I don't know about this. Real talk. And I'm wearing it to work. So we're gonna see. I may get second looks here. People may have comments. Quizás la gente hacen a decir como, oh no, de mis ojos. People might have something to say about my eyes. And that's okay. Está bien. Lo me gusta, and that's all that matters. I like it, and that's all that matters. It is so hard to switch back and forth from Spanish and English. But I'm trying. I really, really am. My goal is to be able to do an entire video in Spanish. But we are a ways off from that, aren't we? Okay, there we go. Wow, this is very, very bright. But it's not obnoxious. It's actually kind of comfortable. It looks like, what do you call that plant in the water? Algae. It's like a bright algae green. But again, green is my favorite color, so might be a little biased here. We're gonna have to tone it down a little bit on the corner. So let's go with this color right here. Let's try this one. This is, oh, Eldritch. Eldritch. we're going to try that. We're going to use el mismo, hold on, cepilla, I think. Yeah, the same brush. And we're going to go in with that on the outer corner. There we go. Yeah, let's deepen this up a little bit. I think I might have gone a bit overboard with this green, especially for work. There we go. I prefer to use really bright colors on a Friday, but we kind of have a short week this week because this week in the United States, en esa semana en los Estados Unidos is Thanksgiving on Thursday, so the week is short. And I don't mind doing a bright colored look twice in a week. Hopefully nobody else minds either. So we're deepening that corner, and then we're going to go back in and we're going to put something bright on the rest of the lid. And really, I kind of want to bring this in even further because, girl, this green, oh my gosh. And there is some fallout, but not a lot. I'll show you guys when I go to clean it up like I normally do. A little bit more on this side. Trying to cut it in half almost. Not quite, but almost. Wow. Okay, so using the same brush, let's go in with this color right here called Ritual. This one right here. You knew I was going to use this. No one is surprised. Wow. Oh my gosh, look at that. Oh my goodness, this color is a gorgeous. Wow. Look at that. That is like the brightest green. It's so pretty. And it's also very wet. I wasn't expected to be like a creamy formula. I thought it would be dry. It's not. So that was a surprise. A good surprise, but a surprise nonetheless. And then maybe, let's use this one right next to it. Patron. This one right here. And that will be it for the colors. I think this is a dual chrome. Yep, sure is. It's blue and purple, and I'm here for it. Oh my gosh, you guys, I love this palette. Wow, this is so pretty. I wasn't ready. I was not ready for any of this, and yet here we are. Wow. Ooh. They are going to be like, what in the world are you doing, girl? Okay. You need this. Buy it. You need this palette. Buy this palette. You need this palette. I love it. It's so beautiful. I'm going to finish the rest of my face off of camera because I'm trying to do like a shorter form video, and then I'll come back to you with my final thoughts. Give me a minute. Okay guys, I finished the look. I will list everything that I used on my face in the description box, but yes, absolutely yes. This palette is so, so, so beautiful. I don't really know what else to say, except that the price point was extraordinary for something of this quality. And I really love to support an indie brand. Smaller brands are like some of my favorites. A lot of my channel began with smaller brands, like when ColourPop first came out. So I definitely recommend buying this palette. Buy it. It's beautiful. I love it. The colors blend easily. It's highly saturated. It's just a high quality palette. really high quality. So I hope that you guys enjoyed this look. And I also hope that you enjoyed the fact that I'm doing a shorter form video. Everything I used on my face will be in the description box below. Thank you so much for spending time with me today. I really appreciate it. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share, and I will talk to you soon. Take care.